I never thought of myself as an artist. I just felt drawn to it, I guess, back in the beginning of the pandemic to try and bolster the spirits of the people that were heading into this storm. I usually get up at about 3:45 to get ready. I stood out here in snow, rain. I think -3 was the coldest. I've stood here in this spot for hours looking into the faces of all of these people as they head into their work day. I've seen back in the beginning when about all they knew about it was that it could very likely kill you. I certainly saw some anxiety and fear, but I also saw the courage and resilience.
Sometimes early in the morning, you just feel like you don't know if you can do it. Seeing Daniel in the mornings, especially when it was so unknown in the very beginning, it just kind of was a little light in a lot of darkness. Hi! You made me cry many mornings. Yeah. Just to feel that support definitely keeps us going on some of the hardest days. Kindness is the most important thing right now.
I remember the first day I saw him with a sign. It was in the very beginning of COVID. I had to pull over when I saw his sign because I just started to cry. And it's everything to us. It really is.
I love it. Thank you.
It definitely makes us smile for the rest of the day.
I've done probably around 100 signs now. These last 2 years have been the best years of my life. Watching a face driving towards me that's all anxious and stressed out and seeing it break into a smile is just, it doesn't get any better than that.